Guys, have you seen this viral microwave time remapping effect in my edits? If you also want to create this smooth effect in After Effects, then this tutorial is for you. First, let's see the final result. Now open After Effects and your edit composition. As you can see, I've already trimmed all the clips perfectly on the beats. Go to the first clip of the first beat, right-click on it, and enable Time Remapping. Now add a keyframe in the middle of the layer. Then copy the very first keyframe. After that, delete the last keyframe and paste the first keyframe we copied. Now select all three keyframes, press Easy Ease, then open the graph editor and follow the graph settings I'm using on the screen. Our smooth reverse time effect is now ready. Next, simply copy these keyframes and paste them onto all the beat clips in your edit. Now let's create the microwave zoom-in effect. Create a new adjustment layer above the beat clip. Then search for and apply the S_blur curves effect. Enable the Z distance keyframes and follow the exact settings and graph shown on the screen. Now let's make the microwave zoom out effect. On the next beat clip, apply the same effect and copy the settings I'm using as you can see on screen. That's it. Our microwave zoom in and zoom out effects are now ready. Simply copy these two effects and paste them onto the remaining beat clips throughout your edit. And there you go! Your smooth microwave time remapping effect is complete. To make it look even better, you can add shake effects, ripple effects, or any other beat sync effects at the start of each beat. Before exporting, don't forget to apply one of my 4K color corrections to give your edit a cleaner and more cinematic look. You can download them from my website if you'd like the same quality. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.